Alright, the next thing I'm gonna do today is the door seal protector, the door edge. I'm gonna put a flame in here. I got from Amazon, I think. Yep. It's called, I don't know what it is. I got this one here. I haven't even looked at it. So I'm gonna do one the driver's side and then the other passenger side, the front and the rear. So alright, I'm gonna try my best. So the reason I ordered black is this one, the protector, this one, the seal protector is in black. So I'm trying to match it, you know. I'm not gonna go all the way here. Yeah, it actually says glass cleaner, but I usually clean with this one, so it shouldn't be a problem. Let me just, first I'm gonna clean all the way on all sides, and then I'm gonna start doing this thing, Alright, now I'm not gonna clean on top here. I'm gonna start doing from here, right from the edge where it's. This one is from the, from Toyota. And then let me try to do it, because you're gonna be hitting this one so much, getting in and out with the shoes or with your, anytime you get in and out, and then you're gonna hit this, and by the time it's like 5 or 6 years, not even in 5 or 6 years, in a couple of years, you're gonna see the difference. After being getting hit like over and over, and then it's gonna be like, we got to do something, I think I'm gonna start from here to here. I'm not gonna go all the way down there because it's protected anyway. It has a special coating, I think, this one. I don't know what they are, but looks pretty solid to me. Maybe I shouldn't go from here, it doesn't matter, because I'm just gonna try to match. Okay, so this one is how, what is it, 3 inches maybe? Yep, maybe 3 inches or 2.5. As much as it goes down from top to bottom, I'll just leave it there. I'm gonna have to measure this one first. I don't have a tape measurement. I didn't bring it. I think this is what it called, F-R-I-G fridge, F-R-I-E-N friend. Oh, it's actually called a friend. I don't know what. I forgot. What was the name of the store again? I forgot already. Oh, maybe this is not long enough, so I should be very careful on this when I'm doing it, because I don't want to end up ordering again the other one. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna do from here to here on this one, and then because I don't want to go all the way here, because it's, see this, the seal, the door frame, it started going kind of like curve up from here. I'm just gonna do straight from here, from this end to here. Alright, let me just measure. Alright, I think it should be enough, more than enough. Right. From here, from end to end, let me just do from end to end from here. Alright, now I have to cut 2 of these. Actually, I should have bring the tape measure to make it my life easier. Alright, I'm just gonna make from here, because I don't want to do too long. From here to here. Alright, let me mark this here. Alright. There you go, it's enough now. I'm gonna cut. I'll be right back. You know what? Let me just cut another one again. Let me make it rounds already. There you go. So that way. Alright, I'm just gonna trim this edges a little bit round. Alright. Alright. There you go. Looks quite better now. I'm not sure if it has a glue on it. Oh yeah, it's sticky. That's even better. I'm gonna take out the whole film and then oops, yep, it's sticky. Oops, not there yet. I'm gonna have to do the first. Oh, it should be okay then. I'm gonna make it match all the way up there. There way. It doesn't. There's not any gap left in there. You know what I mean. It's just simple as that. Oh my God. There you go. There you go. Looks quite better now. Now I'm gonna start from top, like that, like that. Lift this thing up a little bit. I should have a roller with me in order to press this thing down. There you go. It's quite interesting. Looks even better. Good. Not bad. Alright, over the time it's gonna look better, I think. Oh, here it is. Nice. See? Wow, here's the Toyota, right? This is the original, and this is what I installed. Looks not too bad, Not too bad though. Looks solid. Alright, door seal, or the door, what do you call this? Door frame protector. It looks solid to me. Alright. Thank you. See, this one is also done. Very nice, right? And also the rear, this one is also done. Quite interesting. All around. And right here, quite interesting. On the other side, the front passenger side, Looks like it came up from the manufacturer, you know. Looks like it came up from the Toyota.